24 Travel Tips and Tricks. Number 1. Learn common phrases of the local language. Learning simple phrases like please, thank you, and I'm sorry sets you apart from the other tourists. Number 2. Always buy travel insurance. A medical emergency can wipe out your savings, so it's good to have insurance. Number 3. Make photocopies of important documents. Keep a copy of your passport in a separate bag from your actual passport. Number 4. Pack extra underwear. Undies are small and it's always a good idea to have a few extra pairs in case of an emergency. Number 5. Pre-plan your outfits. When packing, think about the outfit you will be wearing each day. Number 6. Put medications, toothbrush, and such in your carry-on bag. Important items should always go in your carry-on bag. If your luggage gets lost in transit, you will still have these important items. Number 7. Inquire about the price before you take public transportation. It's a good idea to ask about the price before you hop on a bus or other form of public transportation. That way you will have the correct change. Number 9. Beware of free public Wi-Fi. For security reasons, avoid logging into bank accounts or entering any passwords while using free public Wi-Fi. Number 10. Tell your bank and credit card company that you will be traveling. If your bank sees that a charge has been made outside your normal usage area, or especially overseas, they will put a lock on your card if they suspect fraudulent use. If they lock your card, you will have to call your bank to have them unlock your card. Until then, you may be out of money until you have access to your card again. Number 11. Book your flights and hotel rooms early for better prices. Airlines and hotels love having their flights and rooms booked in advance. Typically, the closer to the date you will be flying or need a room, the higher the price will be. Especially if it is during peak travel seasons. Number 12. Tell a family member about your plans. In case of an emergency, it is good to let someone in your inner circle know about your plans and itinerary. Number 13. Combine your personal items. If you are traveling with a loved one, combine your personal items. That way, if one or more of your bags get lost, you will still have some of your personal items. Number 14. Separate your money sources. Do not keep all of your cash and cards in one spot. Also, do not carry all of your cash with you when you go into town. Number 15. Book refundable hotel rooms and flights in advance. Sometimes unforeseen circumstances arise and you will need to change your plans. It's good to be able to get a refund if you need to change your plans. Number 16. Pre-book activities and tours. Make sure you are able to get into the tours and activities you want to participate in by signing up early. Number 17. Carry a small bag for dirty laundry. It may seem like common sense, but you will want to keep your dirty clothes separate from your clean clothes. Instead of throwing them all in a big pile or a trash bag, get a small mesh laundry bag that will keep your dirty clothes separate and aerated. Number 18. Bring a universal adapter. This universal travel adapter will allow you to power your electronics, and it includes dual USB charging ports. Number 19. Wake up early to beat the crowds. This is a great time to beat the lines and also get some great photos. Number 20. Travel during the off-season. When possible, travel during non-peak seasons for the best deals. Number 21. Keep a little toilet paper handy. Many public restrooms do not have toilet paper available. Keep some with you anytime you go out so you won't be without during an emergency pit stop. Number 22. Keep your guard up. You don't need to be on edge all the time, but always be aware of your surroundings. You don't want to fall for any scams or get yourself into uncomfortable situations. Number 23. Take some pictures of your luggage and clothes. If your baggage gets lost, having pictures will help identify it more easily and speed up the process of having your travel insurance reimburse you. Number 24. Set aside emergency cash. Sometimes emergencies happen, so it's good to have that emergency cash when needed.